Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Salmon Thel Dala. This popular Sri Lankan dish is known for its vibrant flavors and quick preparation. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to the final tempering steps, ensuring you can easily recreate this savory meal at home. It's a fantastic option for a weeknight dinner or a flavorful side dish. To begin, you'll need 1 large can of salmon, thoroughly drained. For aromatics, prepare 1 medium onion, sliced, about 3 cloves of garlic, chopped, and 2 green chilies, slit. Don't forget a sprig of fresh curry leaves, a small piece of pandan leaf, and a 1-inch cinnamon stick. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and salt to taste. Now let's cook. Heat about 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add the curry leaves, pandan leaf, cinnamon stick, and chopped garlic, sautéing for a few seconds until fragrant. Next, add the sliced onions and green chilies, cooking until the onions are soft and translucent. Finally, gently fold in the drained salmon, chili flakes, black pepper, and salt. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes, mixing well. To finish, remove the pan from the heat and squeeze the juice of 1/4 of a lime over the salmon for a bright, zesty touch. Give it a final stir and taste, adjusting any seasonings if necessary. Serve your Salmon Thel Dala hot, alongside fluffy steamed rice or with warm, toasted bread. This quick, spicy, and aromatic dish is sure to be a new favorite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.